Okay, so there's a couple of things I want to show you here in this short side trade on the Nasdaq. We got the red pro trend system, red tracks to the downside. We had this lovely whoosh lower here. Managed to make a couple of thousand on this trade, okay, to the downside. In fact, I had a trade left over from Friday with my stop to break even, so that brought in another £1,121 profit today. But a very nice move, multiple entries in here, shorting it to the downside. And we got this lovely sell-off, and it's still actually going now. It looks like we might go for another leg. But I wouldn't want to short it now because the storyteller is extended. When it starts to get peaky like this, for me, the move is pretty much over. But we're still red here, so it could see more downside. Now, let me show you something that gave me more confidence to actually take the short side in these markets. Let me just show you. So here is a chart. This is the VIX, the volatility index. On Friday, it pushed up very nicely indeed, and then we had the pullback and we had this consolidation. Momentum was up, green, long side trade. So if the VIX goes higher, okay, if it starts to go up, that means volatility is increasing. Stock markets could drop. Not always, but that's the norm, okay? You see the VIX pushing higher, then you see the stock markets going down. So with that little pullback, little shallow pullback here, we had momentum up. It was all green pro trend system. You can see it's just coming off a little bit. This little pullback was giving me the confidence that this was going to go higher. So then getting a red signal on the DAX, the Nasdaq, the FTSE, I'm in that as well. That's making some decent money. Gave me the confidence as well to continue to short side it, okay? So this was a good Monday morning. This was a good morning move. Now, Nasdaq down, stock market's down. You'd expect that gold will continue its uptrend. But look, guys, I'm going to start to short gold, and I'm going to show you a couple of reasons why. Now, I'm not giving advice at all. It's just the trades that I'm taking, and let's dive into the gold chart. Now, here is the daily chart of gold. It's been so bullish. A lovely bullish bull market in gold. Gold loves to extend much further than what people think it's going to go. Don't trade gold like trading the euro dollar, guys, because it's completely different. Commodities extend in 5 waves as well. The 5th wave can extend quite significantly. But I feel like there's a little short-term top here in gold. So I've started to do a short trade here, a couple of positions. And we've got a little bit of a divergence on the storyteller. The storyteller never disappoints, really, with the divergence plays. You do get several days down. Let's dive into a little bit more of a 4-hour time frame. You see the 4-hour time frame, we're seeing lower highs here. As we make a new high, we continue to see lower highs here on the gold market. And let's continue to go down even further. Let's get down to a 15-minute chart. We're starting to see some sell signals here. So I am prepared to dip my toe in the water shorting gold. It's not, I'm not suggesting you guys do the same. It's just a setup I like to take. I enjoy trading this type of setup. Just finding this top in the marketplace and just a couple of days correction. I think if we can get further down here, we'll turn red on the PTS and then we'll turn back to green for another long side trade. We're in a massive bull market. It just needs a day or two down, maybe a week or so as well. So I'm looking for gold to get to the short side. If I can see some decent profits on this first position, I'll move that stop to break even and then try and run and add to the short side trade as it goes, okay? But at the moment, it's pretty sideways. We'll see. I'm either going to get stopped out or it's going to make me some money. It's one of my trade setups. I'm following my trading plan, and that's the main thing. All right, so if I can get that stop to break even, reduce risk, then I can open a new short trade and build a bit of a position on that side. All right, that's it, guys. Hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye now, everyone. See you later.